Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite 16.6 Permalinks feature. Teamsite 16.6 Experience Studio provides both automatic and manual permalinks, which are also called the friendly URLs. This feature parity with Web Experience Management and Website Management could help in migrating customers to Teamsite. To get started, click on Assets, Content Items, Category, and Type. Then Edit Content Template. Within the Form Setting tab, you can see Dynamic Pages Permalinks. You can set to Automatic, Manual, or No Permalinks. Let's set this template to Manual and click Next followed by Finish. Now let's create a new content item that uses the template with manual permalinks. Click on New Content Item, choose Template, and click Next. Notice that Permalinks field is empty. Supply your own permalink. You can check permalink availability with the provided button. Fill in the fields and click Save. Supply a file name, then click Finish. Select Submit Later and Next. Now let's set a different content item template with automatic permalinks. Select a category, type, and click Edit Content Template. Within the Form Settings tab, select Automatic for Dynamic Pages Permalink. Note, when Automatic Permalink is selected, the UI will enable the Update Existing Content Items checkbox. This will be needed if the user would like to update all the content items already created from this template. Click Next and Finish. Let's create content item that uses the template with automatic permalinks. Click on New Content Item, choose Template, and click Next. Notice this time the permalinks field is disabled. Fill in the fields and click Save. Supply a file name. Once saved, an automatic permalink will be generated. Click Finish, select Submit Later and Next. Time to check out the permalink feature on the page level. Click on Sites, Open, then select a page to edit. Click on the hamburger icon for page properties. Within the Basic tab, you can enable dynamic content item pages. Select content category and type. In the page location, you can set a page alias if so desired. Finally, you can enable canonical URL and spec the value of this friendly URL. As you can see, Teamsite 16.6 provides the ability to create a friendly URL, which are ideal for marketers as they make promotion easier in addition to increasing search engine optimization.